Hello students, let us learn exercise 3 of lesson 1. So the first question, let us see the first question. Write the simplest multiplication numeral for the following. So we have to write multiplication numeral for the following. You can see one example is also given here. So by using this example we will be able to do it. So let us see. So see, you have to count what number of 5s are here first. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. So you will write 6 first. Then what we counted 5. So you put a multiply sign and then write 5. So this is how we will write the simplest multiplication numeral for the numbers given here. So same we will do with this. Another question also you can do same way. So you see question number B, you see there is 0 given, but then also we can do here how. You see, let's count number of zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros are there. So you'll write first 4, then you multiply with 0. If you multiply, your answer will be 4 zeros are 0. Okay, so though we don't have to write answer as 0, but you have to write this one is more important, 4 into 0. So number C I left it for you as your homework. You do it as your homework. Then let us move on to the next question. That is next question, multiply 53 by 10, then by 100, then by 1000, then by 10,000. This is a very easy multiplication. We can do this in two ways. So I will teach you the simplest way. What will you do? Just write 53 first and see how many zeros are there. There's 1 0, so put 1 0. This is the 53. This you can write what? 53 into 10 is equal to 530. Again you write 53 into 100. How will you write? Just count the number of zeros. There are 2 zeros. So write first 53. Write first 53 and put the 2 zeros. This is over. Okay. Again, let us see 53 into 1000. 1000 have 3 zeros. So write first 53, then put all the 3 zeros. Okay. So here is your answer. And then 53 into 10,000. Okay, 10,000. What we'll do? Write 53, then write 4 zeros, because in 10,000 there are 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now let us see another question. This is how you will do whenever you find multiples of 10. So these are all multiples of 10s. It's not it. So always you put the zeros to find out the product. Now check another question. Here we have question number B, where we have to multiply 510 by 80. So what you will do? See, 80 can be written as 8 into 10. Is not it? We can write 80 as 8 into 10. Is not it? So what you do? First you multiply this number. That means 510 by 8. Just by 8 you multiply. Okay. So 8 zeros are 0, 8 ones are 8, and 8 fives are 40. It's not it, 40. So now you know we have to again multiply with 10. It's not it. Since if you multiply by 10, so we, in place of multiplying by 10, we will just put a 0 here. This is your answer. The shortcut method. So question number C you will try yourself. Now let us see question number 3. Question number 3, you see, find the product. Is easy. 18 into 1 will give you only 18. You know this one. 30 into 0, you can do this one. Then this one also is same like that. If you multiply any number with 1, it gives you same answer. And this is all you can do your homework. Now let us see, fill in the blanks. And the blanks are also very easy. 879 into 1 will give you how much? It is 879 only. So let us see here. What will you multiply? What will you multiply with this 1 to get 0? Definitely you will multiply 0 to get 0. Understand? Then what will you multiply? What will you multiply with 59246 to get 0? You will have to multiply 0 only to get 0. It's not it. So see here, this is the property of 0, that whenever you multiply 0 with any number, your answer is always 0. You see here we have 58 and 729, but here we have only 58. So what number is missing? This is missing. This one only you will write here, 7 to 9. It's over. Okay, now let us check multiplications. uh, we have to multiply 6 5 4. Okay, we have to multiply 6 5 4. So how we can do this one? 3 7 6. So what we will do, we will multiply this 6 first. Okay, we'll do in the other place. We'll write 6. Okay, so just a minute. So let us see this one. We'll multiply 6 5 4 by 6 first we will multiply. Okay, so multiply 6 4 ja 24, 2 carry, 6 5 ja 30. So then this 30 plus 2 will give you 32, then 3 carried up, 6 6 ja 36, 36 plus 3 39. This number you write down here starting from the back. Okay, 4 2 9 and 3. Now what we will do, we will multiply again 6 5 4 by 7 now, because this one too we have done. Now this one will do 7 4 ja 28, 2 carried, so 7 5 ja 35, 35 plus 2 will be 37, 3 carried. Okay, 7 6 ja 42, 42 plus 3 to 45, 5 7 8. So see, whenever you will write answer, this answer there, what you will do, you will leave one gap here, you will put one cross below 4, then you will start writing from the back. 8 7 5 4. Okay, now we will multiply the last number. The last number is 6 5 4 by 3. Multiply 3 4 ja 12, carry 1, 3 5 ja 15 plus 1 16, carry 1, 3 6 ja 18, or 6 3 18, 18 plus 1 19, 1962. Again, when you want to write this answer, you give one cross below 4, then again one cross below 8, then you start writing your answer. This is 2, then 6, then 9, and then 1. Okay, right? 1 1, then 4, 2 plus 8 is 10, carry 1, 1 plus 9 is 10, 10 plus 17, 7 is 17, 17 plus 2 is 18 and 19. So this is 19, then carry 1. So 5 6 7 8 9, 9 plus 6 is 15, 15 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 9 is 14, then carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. So our final answer is 2,45,904. This is our final answer. So in the same manner we will do our another questions.